Dear customer, welcome to Yatra.com. To know how can you use your credit shell, please follow these steps. For creating a new booking using your valid credit shell, please log into your Yatra account. Then, click on View All Bookings and select the itinerary against which credit shell has been provided. Click on the button, Book using airline credit. Review passengers' details. Please note, name change is not permitted. Then select preferred date, sectors and flight details. Please note that sector change is permitted and the fare difference, if any, will be applicable. Kindly make additional payment using any mode of payment. After successful payment, you will be able to view booking confirmation details. Auto notification of your e-ticket and booking confirmation will be sent on your registered email ID and mobile number. Thank you for your continued support. We strive to provide you with best service.